guys, what's up? This is Nikki and this is my channel. I don't fucking know. I'm here with a huge unboxing. You'll see some of my kitties running around, but we're just gonna get started. The first one we have, this is all from my aunt. She has a friend who was moving and she reached out to me asking me if I wanted anything and sent me a picture. And I jokingly said all of them and gave her like some of the few ones that I was really looking at. I didn't think she'd really give me all of them. This is Skylar over here, the naughtiest one. But we're gonna just start unboxing. Everybody say hello to Skylar. So we are getting started off good with Hercules number 1, Beethoven's 4th. Never had that. I have Dr. Dolittle, but I can replace my broken one with that nice one. Airbud, don't have that one. The Wizard of Oz. I think I do have one of these. Then we have El Dorado. This one I was specifically looking for. Then we have 50 classic cartoons. I was looking for that one as well, because you love Popeye and Betty Boop. We have Journey to the Big Water. Land Before Times is a huge, huge series, so there's so many of them. This is another one I was looking for, Atlantis, The Lost Empire. These two are some of my favorites, and Treasure Island, my faves. Big Daddy, I was looking for that one as well, so glad to have this one. Another Classics, Volume 2. See How They Grow. That's really cute. The Temptations, I will be selling. I don't like Forrest Gump, so we'll get rid of that one. Stuart Little, I already got. Richie Rich, I already have. Mary Poppins, I do not have yet. I didn't want to buy it myself, so I got it for free. Bruce Almighty, and shit man, Dr. Dolittle 2 in perfect condition. Michael's Navy. I don't know if I would want that one. I'm not into like army stuff. Couldn't tell if it was a comedy. Free Willy, I think I already have this one. Skylar, get down. Get down, little girl. Jesus. Ugh, always got to climb. Shiloh. Body Workouts. Getting rid of that. Petticoat Junction. Two Brothers. That looks really cute. Skylar, that looks like you. Whee! Alrighty, got one down. 2 more to go. And sorry, I'm trying to make it quick. Shark Tale, I've been looking for that one. Like Mike, never heard of that one. Kung Fu Panda, Holes. Oh my gosh. I guess this one's all DVDs. I love that. I already have Elf. I'll be getting rid of that. Don't know what this one is. Into the Sun, get rid. Come out, whatever you are. That looks scary. I'll keep. Family Guy. There, I'll tell you a quick story. I once got in really big trouble because I told my grandpa my parents would let me watch Family Guy, and he bought me like a whole season or 2. And then when my family got home, after I've been watching it all day, I got in so much trouble. But Finding Nemo, I will give away. To Beef, don't know that one. Over the Hedge, keep. Fast and Furious, Medea. Will Smith, iRobot. I just heard about this one. I'm gonna watch this. Spy Kids 2, Michael Jordan, giveaway. Ooh, The Incredibles. Wasn't sure which one. We have Leverage and Harry Potter. Also keep it. I don't know, never heard of Leverage. Harry Potter, Ray Charles maybe? The Karate Kid. This one's the girl. I wasn't interested, but I'll keep it since it's a girl. These are all smaller, so I don't have that much storage on my phone, so we're going to try to get to the good stuff, the VHS tapes. Orson Scott Card. No idea what that is. C-Spot Run. Just a blank VCR, I believe, VHS tape. The Incredible Journey. Let me know in the comments if you see some of these. But one of the biggest things I wanted is they had a whole bunch of Dragon Ball Z VHS tapes. So that's what I had my eye out for. If I didn't get to have all of these, I was like, definitely the Batman, the old... I had been looking for Batman forever! Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, they're all so fine. But sorry, back to Dragon Ball Z. We got a bunch, they're falling over. Then I think we have some Yu-Gi-Oh! 2. Another ab shredder. Get rid of that. I don't need abs. Free Willy 3. Small Soldiers. I'll be replacing mine. Mine had water damage, so I'll be replacing that. Star Wars. I think I already have this exact one and mine's in better condition, so I'll be getting rid of that one. Spy Kids, I already got that. The Goofy movie, I love, I already have. But I feel like it's the same one, right? Yeah. This one looks like it's in a different, like, cartoon-wise from these at least. But I already have that movie. So I guess they aren't the same, I was wondering. So I have this movie. I can't tell if they're the same. I'll have to do some digging. I already have Space Jam. Another Dragon Ball Z. The Grinch, which I already have. Naruto. Batman. Spider-Man, good. I can replace mine that I have that's water damaged. George of the Jungle, everyone always has these. You can bet if you go to any place, you'll find a George of the Jungle. Another Dragon Ball Z. Maybe I should start working out using these. I've been thinking about working out, but I'm like, I don't know where to start. Maybe that's where. The original Karate Kid, maybe. And then the rest. Oh my god. All of the Blades. I have one of the Blades on VHS. OMG. Another Harry Potter. The NBA's Greatest Plays. But we'll go back to this since it looks like I have storage. And again, my phone is so bad, so this may cut off, and I apologize if it does, but Bruce Willis, The Surrogates, AB Ripper, Ab Ripper, maybe that's a workout, Underdog. That's so funny how they have them printed out. Halloween 2, Daddy Day Camp, G.I. Joe, Coach Carter, Classic Jazz, excuse me, Classic Jazz, Classic Jazz. Oh my gosh, I can do bad all by myself. G-Force, I love G-Force. Harry Potter 2, Intro, Jazz, and if you want to stay around, you can. I can go over these real quick. Ice Ice Karate Kid, The Expendables, Cop Out 1, Grown Ups, Ninja's Ass, The Reaping, Perfect Stranger, Clash 2, Last, Piranha 3, Stomp the Yard, Limitless, The Mechanic, Inception, The Fister, scary, The Town, The Warrior's Way, The Despicable Me, oh cute, The A-Team, Green Lantern, Rush Hour 3, OMG, look at how they saved this. I love that. Gamer Plan. Sorry guys, I'm outside. Harry Potter 7, 1408, Dragon War, Expendables again, I don't know what the fuck that says. Pine Goddess, Bad Teacher, Transformers 3, Yoga, Chest, Shoulders, Triceps, Shoulder and Arms, Legs and Back, Chest and Back, Harry Potter 8, Tron Legacy, Shrek Forever Ever, Saw 7, The Last Airbender, Transformers 3, Workout, X-Stretch, Plyometrics, Cardio X, Kimpo X, Cure System, Back and Biceps. OMG, I'm so excited with all the things that I have. I'm gonna have to get back to work, so that's one of the reasons why this was so fast, but I'm so excited. I'm gonna have to really go through all of these, see which ones I need to replace my broken ones or ones that aren't in mint condition, like Spider-Man, for example. And so I'm just really thankful people think of me. People think of me for dead animals. Now they think of me for old media. Ooh. And I'm just so thankful to even be in people's mind whenever they're doing anything like it. I'm just thankful that people think of me. Skylar, come here, baby. Skylar, come. Good girl. Come here, ugly. Well, as always, they don't listen. So, cats, right? So, love y'all guys. See you later. And have a good rest of the week. It's Thanksgiving week for 2024. And I'm just going to be cleaning my house, cataloging my shit, and hanging out with my girls. So, have a good day, guys.